Hi, this is Justin Burns with J&J Burns Real Estate Team with Coldwell Banker Select. I'm excited to present to you our newest listing.
Welcome to 22269 East 102nd Place South in Broken Arrow, where you'll discover loads of intentional, luxurious fun. This 4-bed, 4-bath home boasts nearly 3,300 square feet, a large lot with a fenced-in backyard, and an ideal location with an easy commute. Stepping inside, you'll find an inviting open-concept floor plan, perfect for enjoying time with friends and family. High vaulted and beamed ceilings blends with the floor-to-ceiling brick fireplace and a wall of windows for plenty of natural light and a cozy, luxury lodge vibe that you'll love for years to come. The stunning kitchen features an oversized center island with an eat-at serving counter, beautiful Cambria Quartz countertops, high-end appliances, plenty of cabinet storage space, and a large pantry. The nearby breakfast nook overlooks the backyard and outdoor living area, and you'll love the stylish accents here as well. Back near the foyer, this home provides space for formal dining that easily doubles as an extra seating area if desired. And upstairs, you'll find a guest suite that can also function as a game or media room for more entertaining potential. Dual main floor master suites give you flexibility with your new floor plan, and the high-end spa-like master baths are especially noteworthy as well. Rounding out this home, you'll love the fenced-in yard, covered back patio, and loads of space for enjoying time outdoors. Don't miss out on this incredible home. Set up your tour today, and be sure to inquire about the full listing of features, upgrades, and add-ons that make this home a must-have.
We hope you enjoyed the tour of this gorgeous property. We'd love to schedule a private tour with you. Please reach out to my wife, Julie, or myself. Our contact information will be on the screen in just a moment.